I got the pleasure to introduce today, we got Brad Sorenson, our Senior Vice President for Global Manufacturing and Supply Chain. We also have Rosaleen Burke, our Senior Vice President for Global Quality and Regulatory.
I'm a big believer in if you say things and then reinforce it and do it, then they'll start to actually follow you. You have to bet on people. Give them enough rope to run, but not enough rope that they can hang themselves. Ask them about the upside. Challenge them there. Lots of people are thinking about what can happen if things go wrong. But all of us should get paid to think about what if things go right? Are we going to be ready for it?
And we've had some great success in doing that, and I love what I'm seeing across all of the sites, including here. But for me, it all comes back to the values, that we are a caring company that respects diversity. All of those things make us successful, and it still means we can go and win.
What we have seen during these 3 years is what you're seeing right now. A team of extraordinary people creating an extraordinary company.